Hello and welcome to my channel Crafted Beauties. Thank you for stopping by. As you can see, today we are making this beautiful card, and in this video I will be showing you three techniques of card making. So let's get started. So here I have already stamped and embossed my sentiment from the stamp set from Hero Arts, I believe, and I have already taken one layer to work with. So I have pre-cut my flowers. This is a sunflower which I am doing. So I have pre-cut it in my brother's Canon cut machine, and I have designed it in brother canvas. So I'm just coloring the flower there. So I have taken distress ink in mustard seed shade. You can use any color of ink. I am not promoting any brand or any ink. Whatever you have in your craft room, you can just use that. Even you can use the marker pens, or if some students who are making this, you can use your sketch pens also. So it's up to you to color the flower. But this is the professional way. It looks little neat. What I am doing here is I am doing very light shade in my first biggest layer of my flower of yellow, because I wanted to give tones to my flower. So I am giving lighter, darkest in the center and lightest on the outside. So you must have seen I was doing my coloring from inside to outside. So this is because I don't want to give darker look from in the petals, edges of the petals. So whenever you do distress ink, if you come from outside to inside, you always see that there is a darker area in the corner. So that, to avoid that, I am doing from inside to outside. So now you can see how these two colors are different, even though I am using the same color ink. So you can give variation to your colors from the one ink itself. So what you have to do there is take less amount of ink. If you take it directly from the ink pad and your ink pad is really juicy, then obviously you will get more ink and more color. So it's always better when you are taking ink and you want it light, first remove that ink on some kind of paper. Dab your sponge 2-3 times in the paper, rough paper, so that you get rid of the more ink what you don't want, and very lightly you dab your color blending there in your paper. So this is how I have taken my 3 colors from the same ink, and now I am taking an orange color from Ranger ink. Cheese Puff is the name. Again, I am not promoting any brand or anything. Whatever you have in your craft room, please go ahead. I do some professional cards and I do use these inks, so that's why I am showing. This is what I have. So here I am not overlapping my orange color in the center, so I'm just giving a hint of orange, that it is coming a shine, from the inside, the orange. So you will see why I am doing that. The layer of the center orange I am doing in orange color, the same color. So I have cut one circle, see this one. So I will do this circle in my orange color. So whenever you do your color blending or coloring with the stressing, blending, always do in circular motion, so you will get and from outside to inside, so that you will get even blending. So here I am not worried about my very nice blending here, because everything will overlap and nothing will be seen. So that's why I see on the last layer I have done the orange thing, the orange outline. It is because now it will show that it is spreading, dark color is spreading from inside. And here I have taken a dark brown color of Copic marker. You can take anything, the brown color, to just give the center of my sunflower. So this is the design, sunflower design, which I have made in my canvas workspace. If you guys want to know how I design all these things in my workspace, canvas workspace, please do comment below if you want to see and learn those videos as well. So I will come up with those videos as well on my channel. So though I have put one or two videos on the canvas workspace also in my channel, but I don't get much good response on those videos. So I was thinking whether to make or not. So please comment below if you really want to see. Even few people wanted to see those videos, I will be doing those, continue doing those. And here I am shaping my flower like so. So this is another technique there, how to make and shape your flowers. I have taken a flower shaping tool, which is a ball round shape from one side. I am just taking a foam on the base of that flower, and I am pulling that flower inside to give a 3D look. So I am doing the same thing with all the flower petals to give little 3D look. And now I will glue these together, but I am not gluing this on the top of each other with a glue or double-sided tape. I am using double-sided foam tape. So by this we will get little bit of height. So I am giving height in between all the layers. So that's how I am placing my this thing, flower petals and flower base, whatever you can say, the three sizes. I am just taking foam, and only thing where I have not used the foam is that orange layer and the green layer, brown layer. Orange and brown I have stick on top of each other, and that I have directly stick on my smallest layer of the flower. So we are ready with the flower and we will use it in some time. First, let's get started with our layer panel, how we will design. So here another technique what I will teach you in this video is stenciling. I am taking this double removable tape, so it will not it can come off and my layer will not move. The same thing I will do with this stencil. This is a sunflower stencil which I have designed again with matching with my flower, which I have designed in canvas workspace, and I have cut it from there. So in this card everything is designed by me and made by me. There is nothing from any company I am using. So I try to use and design my own things. I do use from outside also, but I try if I have equipment, so why not? I takes little time and effort to make one card of making everything from scratch, but it gives you a satisfied feeling that you have created something. So one video is behind one video is a lot of efforts. So I would like you to please subscribe my channel and like the video, so that I get a little encouragement also from you guys. So thank you so much. I want to increase my family. So if you are watching it and going away, it won't help me at all. I am 100% sure I am adding some value in your crafting. So I would love, I am not asking much, I am just asking, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Don't go away without subscribing. So this is on one thing which I wanted to discuss with you. Now back to our coloring. So I have stenciled all my flowers from the same yellow color ink, and I have colored it. I am not coloring in the center because I am using the different color in the center, so I am more worried about my flower. So I am removing this stencil. Though I have made this stencil to use overlapped as well, but I have removed it and I am just placing my other circle stencil on top of it. It is transparent, so I can see what is happening below. So now I am taking the orange ink which I have used before, and I am just putting that ink lightly in the center in a way that it gives little shading, one side darker, one side lighter. So this is how I have completed my center of the flower, and without removing my stencil, I am just giving dots, the small dots from with my Copic marker pen, brown color, to give the center look of my sunflower. So randomly I am just placing dots with my pen all over the center of my circle, and I have not removed my stencils from there because I don't want to spoil or get into my leaves with that dots. So if the stencil is there, so you are free to make, freely you can make your dots. So I am done with this, and here I have taken another tip for this technique for this card is I have placed my rectangle die on the center of the panel which I have made, and I am just cutting it with my Big Shot machine, and I have already cut it, and I'm removing my tape very carefully so that it will not spoil my card. So always use low sticky tape, which is maybe this what we call it, washi tapes are better for that, and many kind of tapes come. And here what I wanted to say, the same way I have done my leaves also from the stencils. So I have not covered in the video because video would be very long if I would have covered each and every step. So here I am just putting my double-sided tape on my layer, the rectangle layer, outer layer, which I have just now cut from my physics Big Shot machine. So this is the outer piece, and this is one of the techniques. Your card doing nothing, your card looks very dimensional. So what I will do here is I am placing my double-sided tape again on the center layer also, and I will place the same way I place my double-sided the layer, card layer. So here I have already placed, leaving the 8-inch border all around the first layer, and now making sure my flower matches each other. So here what I think, when I have put my card, the depth of the card is not, it was almost like on the same level because my depth of my double-sided tape is not really thick. So I am doubling my double-sided tape there to give some height there, so that I can feel there is a difference of height in there from my first layer and on this layer which I have cut. So now I am removing my backing of my double-sided tape after doubling it, and now I will place it on the center, making sure I will not flip it, otherwise it will not look. See, it is cut also, but it is giving the flowers, looking flowers full, but there is a depth in the card. So the first layer is little down and the second layer is above that layer. So see, from the corners it is up. So that's how you have to do. There's a one technique you can use in many cards. So here comes our final touch to this card. So we will place our sentiment and flower. So I am happy with this placement of my flower there. So let's get glue there on the back and place it on the center there. So I'm really happy after how it looks. The card came out after a lot of effort of making this stencil and flower. So if you really like it, please hit that like button to appreciate my efforts. And one video takes way too much of effort. So please do subscribe the channel so that it will help me also. I am sticking my sentiment with the dots, double-sided dots. These are the small ones. If you don't have these, you can just cut your double-sided tape roll in small pieces and you can glue with that. So here I am placing it on the center like so, making sure it is straight. I have taken I love you this much sentiment, but you can use any sentiment on this card. You can use happy birthday, you can use you are my sunshine, or anything, whatever you want. This card is multi-purpose. You can use any sentiment. I have used this. You have whatever, happy birthday, whatever you want to place. So I am just folding my card there and to burnish it and to give I am just burnishing my spine there to give a neat and nice fold there. And one thing more, to match the inside of your card, you can always put one flower of stencil inside on the bottom so that it will look even, or it will look from inside also same. So this is what in today's card. I hope you enjoy making this card with me, and you are clear with the techniques what I taught you today in this video. And I hope you like it and you will make it. If you make the video, if you are making this card, please, I will give my email address. Please do send the pictures. And that's it for today. I will be coming to you with the new video soon. Till then, bye bye.